Brix fans. This is Gary over at Brix Winery, just coming to you from Brix. We're in the cellar today, and today's the day of celebration, guys. The last day of press. And as you can see behind me, the crew, Jeff, Jim, Kyle, and Barry are back there working hard, dumping the last bit of our Cabernet Sauvignon from Paso Robles into the press. And I've got a cool little video here I'm going to show you in a little bit of a time lapse of us going through and what's happening today here at the winery. Make sure to stop in, check out the fruit. Love you guys, and we'll see you soon.